Hi, I'm Sarah.
My name is Emily.
My name is Priya.
And
We're the communication coordinators.
Hi, I'm Evan.
I'm Aaron.
We're the builders and programmers.
Hi, I'm Todd. I'm a mentor.
My name is Paige.
And my name is Evan.
And we're the videographers.
To either travel over top of all these or beside all these and slide in.
The first time we went to designing our robot, we thought that we had to make the blocks go on top of the wood piece. So we made a robot that would drive over top of the wood and roll along it so that it could drop the blocks in the correct order. So there's going to be some sort of dropper mechanism that the blocks would go to be dropped onto the wood after they went to some sort of chute where there would be color and weight sensors. After that, it would bring the blocks back and they would be dropped on here and it would be done. But then we reread the whole challenge and we realized that the blocks needed to go on the paper, which was 6 inches away from the board. Then we had to almost completely redesign the whole thing. So we have this wheel that's attached to the other side of the board that kind of helps it drive in a straight line. And then we have a whole, the chassis of the robot in, front of that. And inside that, there are the color sensors, the weight sensors, and this chute that will help, lead the blocks off onto the grid with the letters go on.
Alright, so this is how the robot itself works. First, this plate right here is connected to a medium motor, and that will rise up, allowing us to insert a brick. This brick has color at the back, so you put it in here, and the color sensor here will look at this color and tell us what color it is. Afterwards, it will drop a little bit, allowing the brick to fall into a stable position before entering a free fall state where, with the help of rubber bands and gravity, the brick will pull down this entire mechanism here, allowing our gyroscope to sense how far it fell in total, and that will tell us whether this brick is heavy or light. With this data, we can now determine what letter this brick is. So the robot would then move to the appropriate position before having this motor completely drop down this ramp, and it will be pushed out by this arm. Afterwards, the arm will retract, the ramp will come back up with the help of the medium motor, and the robot will return to home position, where it is now ready for a new brick.
Tell us what the program is.
It waits for a button sensor, then it makes it so that the color variable is 0, and the weight variable is 0. So
Point to the spot that reads the color variable. There, and then where is it on here?
That's this
Okay.
module thing here. And then it writes the color sensor value, whatever it's seeing, to be the color variable. So this is saying green, so it'd say that it's green, which is 3. And then it goes down and resets the gyro sensor. It goes down here, and then the
Yeah, so how are we...
this is floppy now. Oh, well, we'll fix that.
Those are the mechanical issues that we have to fix.
And then this is floppy, and it'll be an elastic, so it can detect like how much weight it is. And then I'll write that as a variable, and then it'll take the color variable and the weight variable and multiply them together to get a unique number. It's one. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 12, 15. And the different numbers it can give for the different like, spots it has to move into, and then it'll swing this motor to whack the block out of here. So this is the program at the start. It just resets the sensor things, and then it also resets the motor sensors. And then here the arm that moves up, it lifts up into position to load a brick. And then in this loop, we make sure that the medium motor, which is the arm, stays on, and then we see what color it is and input that as a variable. And then over here, we wait a while, and then it resets the motors and the sensors again. And then the arm motor moves down and pushes the arm thing into the floor and then lets it back up. And then we see what color, and then we can see what weight it is. And when we take what weight and what color it is, and then that equals a number, and then we can run the program, which makes it drive to where it needs to go, lower the arm down, make the pushy arm thing push the block into place, and then it'll bring it back, and then drive back, and then it'll repeat and be ready for the next round again. We do a thing that makes